G'day folks, Ben from Snows today taking you for a walkthrough of the Zempire Hexolite 80 camp table.
Hit it.
This camp table has got a lightweight heat resistant top. It's adjustable right up to 85 centimeters for tall people. Features 4 adjustable legs so you can make it stable on any ground, and packs up really easy in its own carry bag for transport. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is the Zempire Hexolite 80 table in its bag. Weighs about 4.75 kilos. 80 centimeters by 60 centimeters and about 6 centimeters in height. Nice durable 600D carry bag that it comes in with Zempire's classic colorways on here and nice big zipper pull, so it's easy to do up and undo the zipper here, so nice big pulls there. So we'll unzip that. The zip goes just part way across the top, so it's easy to get the table in and out. You get the table in the bag and you do also get an instruction manual in there somewhere, but it's pretty straightforward how to use the table. I'm going to set it up for you today. So this is the size of the table. It doesn't fold in half. If we spin around, you can see you've got the legs on the back here. So to set these up, you just pull these out like so, and then you lock these into place. Just push that till that locks nice and straight on each side. Do that on all 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you've got these feet on the bottom that you just need to spin around. These are adjustable feet. I'll show you how to adjust the height shortly. And these feet kind of pivot a bit to uneven ground so that they sit nice and level. So that's set up to use, I guess, as a coffee table or a low level table if we like. So it feels really sturdy, but we can actually adjust this up to 85 centimeters. That's about 53 centimeters now. To make it higher, if you flip it over again, or you could do it while it's upright if you like, but it's easy to do it when it's flipped over. Flick these little levers out and extend this leg out. On the side, it's got measurements which indicate how far out the leg is from this section here. If we extend that all the way and then lock this back into place, it's going to go out to 85 centimeters. Now I'm 6'1", so I'm going to extend this out to the highest it can go to give you an idea of how much height you can get out of that, and then it's adjustable to any point in between. Extend this one all the way out, lock it into place. We can now flip this over, and I've got a table height of 85 centimeters. So for someone of my height, 185 centimeters. This is higher than your average camp table and makes for a good work surface. Now, if this was on uneven ground, those legs being individually adjustable means I can adjust them to make this tabletop level no matter where I put the table. And the nice big feet mean that they don't sink down into the ground. Now, in terms of materials that the table's made of, this is it's a lightweight honeycomb cord top on this. They don't specify just what it is, but they do say that it's heat resistant up to 200 degrees. So I don't know if I'd test that by putting a pot straight on here, but it means you can use the stove on top of this table quite comfortably. And it's also weatherproof and really easy to clean. It's got a nice textured feel to it. Got aluminium extrusions around the edge here. The legs are an aluminium extrusion, and then you've got steel and stainless steel components throughout here. So it's made all with high quality materials. Now, in terms of stability, it's got a 100 kilo weight rating, and it is really sturdy for a table of this height, given the legs are so long and it's a small table. If I put lots of weight down on that and wiggle it around, it feels like it does move. All camp tables move. Some move a lot more than others, and this is actually really steady for a camp table. So I'll be pretty comfortable with this as like a utility table, maybe just a table for one in a campsite. Really good adjustable height, so if I'm preparing food, I don't have to stoop over too far, but also adjustable if I want to sit at it as a dining table. Now this tabletop is 80 centimeters by 60 centimeters. It's quite thick, probably about 1.5 to almost 2 centimeters thick here. So a nice durable, lightweight table. In terms of other features, not much to show. If we have a look at the end here, there is a little bottle opener included here. So if you don't have any screw tops, you can pop your bottle open on that one. There is a carry handle here as well. So if you don't want to use the carry bag that it comes in, you can just use this to carry it, or also use this just to hang your tea towel or something on if you like. Not many other features to show otherwise. We've seen it all with the setup. I'll keep flicking this around. Probably didn't mention this before, but this is a kind of an aluminium, a nylon or plasticky insert in here, which means it's going to be a bit of a bumper, I suppose. If it does get scratched around the edge, it's not going to dent up. It's just going to give the aluminium extrusion a bit of protection. And not much to see for the rest of the table. It's a nice, simple, sturdy, but high table for its size. Now moving on to pack up of this table, first thing you want to do is flip it upside down because it's so lightweight. This is easy to do. And clasp these legs back in and lock them into place. Do that with all 4 legs. 1, 2, this one here, 3 and 4. And then we want to fold them flat against the table. So to do that, come to the bracket here, push it back in towards the top of the table. and fold it flat. Now, as you do this on each side, you're going to notice that the feet kind of get a bit caught up on each other. So you just want to move these away so that these legs sit flat, and then you can just fold these around like this to sort of lock the legs into place there. You can't fold these past those feet there, so you've kind of got to wiggle them. I don't quite know how to explain that clearly, but if you angle them away from each other, push it flat, and then lock it in place like that, it sits nice and neat. Do the same on this side here. Push the two, bring them in, turn the feet away from the legs, lock them in flat, and then twist them so that they lock the legs flat against the table so it sits nice and neat. Now to put it back in the bag, use the carry handle here if you like to lift it up, or even better, just put the bag over the top, then you're not even worrying about lifting the table. Pull the bag down over the top of the table, then you can flip it over, zip it up, and that's the table packed away. Easy as that. As I mentioned previously, plenty of extra room in this carry bag here, so there's no struggle doing the zip up. Does up nice and easy, and that's the Hexolite 80 back in its bag. A really compact, really lightweight, and really sturdy table as a table for single or couples camping, or as a utility table in any family campsite. Check them out online at snowies.com.au.